Alright! And pull back his head. Pag and pull back his hand. Pull. Okay. Alright, go. Alright!
And pull back his head.
Pull. Suntukin mo siya. Sabi mo lang, kunwari, kayo ganun ka. Sabi mo lang, kayo baka naman ka. Okay. And pull back his hand. And pull back his hand. Alright! Ganun kasi di wala ba. Go. And pull back.
Alright! And pull back his head.
So, sa una. Sino ba una sa inyo?
Siya.
Kapag wag yung bagi mo.
He moved toward the Ugong who was lying down. Holding his hands softly and slowly several times.
Nasa ulo ka ba?
Si Blue Patrick sumasagot.
Ugo.
Evening fell in the frightened village. Frightened because the herb doctor said that the spell might be cast on some villagers beside God and Camelda. He called to the police from
Abang nalalay siya, gano'n mo na. Yung gagawin sa beginning.
Evening fell in the frightened village. Frightened because the herb doctor said the spell might be cast on some villagers beside Scambong and Camelda. He called to the bewitched couple softly, slowly, at first.
Sabang nalalay siya, balikan mo sila dalawa. So, ano na ito?
Umpisa ko. Evening fell in the frightened village. Frightened because the herb doctor said
Pakuha nga
that the
tayo.
spell might be based on some villagers.
Pakuha naman po. Yung yellow pad ko.
He called to the bewitched couple softly and slowly at first.
Softly pa. Ulo. Dali, huwag ka lakad ka punta kay Balda. Ganun mo, pati ulo niya. Okay, balik ka lang yung ulo.
And louder.
May pagkapaninig. Narito!
Wala na kayo, di ba? Camelda soon became her socially excited on the chair. The old Birdman doctor said,
This is the first vision of the kind that I have met here.
Ay, lapis ko. Yellow pad ko tayo, pakabot naman.
Silence! I believe that they are
Kuya na po. Ayun yung bag ko.
This is the first vision of its kind that I have met here. Yet here, neither silence, I believe that they are dead!
Tulungan mo! Amoy pagulo! Tulungan mo siya, hindi ka niya may silya.
By the silence, though.
By their silence, I believe that they are dead! Their spirits driven away by the witch have left their bodies. The only thing doing to keep their souls in peace and to prevent their witchcraft from spreading among us.
Ngayon na, huwag nilang kinikili mo.
Spreading among us is to bury them.
Okay, ito ang gawin mo ha. Ito na papel. Kinibigsan yung utang sa iyo eh. So, very dead. Very dead. Tumayo ka. Lubot ka dito. Before you die, you pay me first your 50 centavos bago. Tapos sila may hila sa kanya. Dalawa pag hila sa kanya, habang hinila, hindi ko na, ganun na yung pusigas ka. Hanggang ibas. Very dramatic yan. Pay first your 50 centavos bago.
Spreading among us. Spreading among us.
Spreading among us is to bury them.
Before you die.
The earth had ordered some of the men who looked from bamboos to make 2 coffins immediately, before a melody would go to them. In no time, the 2 coffins made of bamboos were
Listen. Yung idea na dito sa order pantomime dyan, ang gawin ng Arhan, orderan nyo ng lalaki gumawa ng kabao. Ang babae gumawa ng aso. Pantomime yan. Listen ha, iba aayusin ng bambo. Iba kunwari nagdagari ng bambo. Iba nagtatali na ng bambo. Tapos iba sumusukat kay ubo. Lahat ng pagtuminig na ng pelikula habang nagagarin. Okay, pagkatapos noon, yarin ang kabao. Pag sinabi ngayon ng narrator, the man easily lifted kaubo. Doon pa lang line na ilagay niyo si kabao, ilagay niyo si ubo sa kabao. Okay, doon pa lang ilagay. Ang line of you, the man easily lifted kaubo. Bit-bit yan, 3, 4. Pagdating sa kabao, iba yan opo na ayusin nyo siya, iba yung inuwari dyan sa kabao na siya. Pero iba dito na hati kay Magda. Okay. So, I would want you to end that I-practice nyo yung tinuro ko beginning to the end. Ngayon, I'd like to check, how did you finish it without my direction? Para may din kayo, be creative, director. How did you finish this? So next meeting, I'd like to see how did you come up with a creative direction.
So next week na to.
Ilan exam natin? Di ba next week?
Yeah, next week.
Next week?
Yeah, next week.
Okay, but I will ask you to present na exam na the next week. Yes. So, pero, ito na gawin ko next meeting. I'd like to see beginning to the end. Memorize ito. Walang binabasa dito. Memorize ito. Draft script na, agay ko sila blocking and please let me see your posture. Kasi the next meeting, iyan natin at exam na. Para i-critiquing ko kung bakit sa yung posture. So next meeting will be our dress rehearsal. Gusto kong music dito, masaya yung parang need. Yung ba isa sa nayon, something like that.
All kasanayon.
Pag music. Gawin mo yung parang parang nagpapatadyo ka, ano kayo malaki, parang. Bahala kayo, may dito ka dito. Gusto ko mabilis ito. Ayun ko lang halata mo na kasi wala nakalimot eh. Pag nakalimot talaga, so finish this, I'd like to see how it is finished.